We all know it can be expensive to keep up with an active medical grade regime, so we're all for money saving tips here at Face Doctor. So one of the things that we recommend is with the ZEO complexion renewal and oil control pads, you can actually cut them in half. They come as a gorgeous little pad like this, which is slightly rough on one side, and it's really good for exfoliating the skin, removing surface oil and debris, reducing oil production in the skin. And it also prepares your skin for the products that are to come, like your creams, your treatment creams and such like. Now, there is a lot of liquid on each pad, so you can cut them in half and use half in the morning and half at night to make your pot go further. The oil control pads contain 2% salicylic acid, and the complexion pads contain less than that. So the more oily your skin and the more acne prone, go for the oil control. And if you have normal or just hormonal monthly breakouts, then the complexion renewal pads will be just right for you.